guys, Steph here. Okay, so what we've got today, I know some of you people like to see sort of before and the after on the pens. So what we've got today is 3 pens that were reserved from my latest pen haul. So, well, basically they were reserved subject to restoration. So without further ado, here's the first one. There you go. So as you can see, we had a Parker Senior Dufold, a little bit on the tired side, scratching, etc. But a lovely pen. And here we have after. Look at that, what a gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. As I say, it had a few scratches, a little bit dull. We've cleaned it, given it a polish. What you may have also noticed, we've given it a different cap because this cap has got a slightly wider cap band, which is correct for this Parker Senior Dufold. The size of this pen is 138mm capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 12mm in diameter. As I say, fully restored, everything is clean. The nib has been cleaned, it's been polished. You can see we've got a lovely Parker Dufold 14 karat gold nib. I think it's got the end to the bottom for New Haven. As always, the feed, everything is lovely and clean. This one, for you people that don't know, is an aerometric filler. There you go. At this particular one, the cover here was a little bit tarnished, but as you can see now, it's been fully cleaned, so it's looking absolutely beautiful and such a handsome fountain pen. So that's the Parker Senior Dufold. Now the second pen was this one. There you go, an absolutely gorgeous Conway Stewart number 73 in a green hatch pattern. Comes the original box, instructions, etc. A lovely pen as it is there. And here it is, ready to go to the new owner. Okay, so there we have it. An absolutely stunning, as I say, a Conway Stewart number 73 in this beautiful hatch pattern. A long, slender, beautiful pen. 3 cap bands, as you can see. Got a black stud to the very top there. It's a lever fill fountain pen in stunning condition. As I said on the video, I didn't think the pen had actually been inked. In fact, when I actually disassembled it, inside I found this. Where is it? There we go. I'm hoping you can see that. The original Conway Stewart sack. Okay. There you go, you can see it's all crumbly and hard, but the original Conway Stewart sack. So what I've done, I've put a brand new sack in the pen. What we've also done, if you'll notice in the previous video, because it was, well, ex-stock if you like, the nib itself was a little bit on the dull side. We've polished that, cleaned it up. Again, the feed was all disassembled, and everything was thoroughly cleaned. We're giving it a lovely polish, and it's ready to go to the new owner. So an absolutely stunning pen. Okay, so that's the Conway Stewart number 73. And then the third pen was this one. There you go, you can see what we've got is an absolutely gorgeous Conway Stewart 15. An absolutely lovely pen, a little bit tired, a little bit dull, etc. And here it is, all done and ready to go to the customer. You can see it's a lever fill pen. You'll notice in the sort of when I actually got it, the clip itself was rather dull and the plate was actually sort of worn off. What I've done, I've put a new clip on the pen there, as you can see. Incidentally, this particular model is the one-banded version. It also came in a nickel trim, etc. The size of this pen is approximately 127 millimeters capped, 11 millimeters in diameter. Okay, so a gorgeous pen, as I say, all been disassembled, cleaned, new sack. You can see the nib there. What we've got is a lovely Conway Stewart 14 carat 1A nib, and again the feed, everything thoroughly cleaned, in gorgeous condition. This one is what they term as the plum, marbled plum with sort of black veins, again in lovely condition. So there we have it. We've got 3 pens that have actually been as I say, been reserved subject to restoration. So this one is ready to go to the customer. So I hope you're going to be happy with the pen jack. As you can see, I hope you like what you see there. We've got the green Conway Stewart 73, also all done, ready to go to the customer. So James, if you're watching this, I hope you like what you see. Gorgeous pen. And last but not least, this very handsome Parker Senior Dufold in classic black, again ready to go to the customer. So I hope you like what you see, Brian. The pen will be on its way to you tomorrow. So there we have it. 3 gorgeous pens that were reserved from my viewers, subject to being restored, and they're now ready to be shipped to the new owners. I hope you've enjoyed looking at them as much as I've enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, just down there, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. But for now, for everybody out there, please stay safe, especially our friends over in the Ukraine. Slava Ukraini. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.